Ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the how-to series. In today's video we will be installing LED license plate bulbs. So what you're going to need for this install is your LED bulbs. I will put the link down in the description below. Pair of gloves, because no one wants to get dirty, especially not me. Also, you don't want to burn out your old bulbs in case you're not upgrading to LED. You don't want to touch the halogen bulbs, it'll make them wear. And you'll need a Phillips head screwdriver. Alright guys, let's get to it. Okay guys, real simple this one. It's just two Phillips head screws, one here and one here. We're just going to concentrate on the right hand light for today. The left hand light is exactly the same procedure, so just unscrew counterclockwise until your screw comes out. Same with the other side. Sorry about that. There you go. Set your screwdriver off to the side. Pull the housing out. Excuse the wind. There's the housing. And you'll just reach in, and the bulb is just like the side marker bulb that you saw in the last video. Just slides straight out. Slide that one out. Grab your new LED bulb. Like I said before, we'll place the link down in the description. These ones are high quality Cree bulbs that I like to use. Slide that back in there. Awesome. What to do is, there's a little notch here, and that slides in this hole, and then that keeps everything sealed up, just like that. And then line everything back up with the holes. Awesome. There you go. There's the install of the Cree LED.